Bye.
So here we are.
Here
We're
we
going on
are.
a little walk. Walk with the
Yeehaw.
kicks.
Put my glasses on.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is a great place to park and everything. I love it. Yeah, I recommend this parking spot.
This is the parking
Yeah.
spot. See, right here. So everybody can see where we're at.
Comes popular with
Oh, there you go.
Hey, there's my friend.
She made an X.
Made a pee. Huh?
All right.
Huh?
Oh, and Titus has got his longboard. Dude,
It's stuck in the sand.
yeah, it's not really made for sand. Once we get up here on the concrete, you'll do it good.
Tell me which way we're gonna go and
To the left.
which way, that way?
That's left.
Okay. Here, you're right, Dad. It is left.
Yeah. So, the train. So I was gonna park over there on the other side of the train bridge and walk this way, but there's an event down there, and I'm like, oh shoot, so let's park over here and walk that way then.
Oh, what kind of event?
I don't know. I just all the parking that we usually park in.
You had to pay extra for it, probably.
It was $5 to park, and I'm like,
Okay.
usually it's free.
All right,
So.
all right.
Watch out, Titus. Everybody keep your eyes open. All right. Titus.
That was the way to go.
He's running sitting down. That is amazing.
You know, we saw.
That's pretty, Dad. I don't wonder what kind of plant that is. Lawn chairs. Or beach. No, you're right. Beach chairs.
On the one wheel. And so they're sitting, and the one wheel's going, and they're just hanging out on the beach chair.
I gotta see
Are you gonna do it, Judah?
me?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, come on, do it. You can sit on it. Like Titus is awesome.
Well, Titus wanted us to sit together on it.
Let Judah give it a try. No, let him do it by himself. He can do it.
Do you want to do it with me or by yourself?
Let him do it by himself. I want to see him try.
Do you have a book?
Do I have a book?
I can be like,
Oh, you're sitting up there reading? I do not have a book.
I want to get up here.
Okay, ready?
There
Set.
you have to move. No.
You can stay right there. Oh, I just threw it in the back of the truck. We'll clean it up later.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's so nasty. I went in the bathroom and just like
Yeah,
scrubbed my hands.
We
There's
went-
like soap over
we went
there.
by the river and washed up.
Yeah.
Daddy, can
Yes.
you help me get up there?
Oh, I cannot. That's really high.
No, can you like
That's
just
not mine.
get where Abby is? And then,
Uh-oh.
This is mine.
Daddy,
What?
can you get where Abby is and then
I can't boost you that high. It's too high. Okay.
Oh, that was high. Oh,
You are super high.
I cannot
Ooh, way to
see
go,
it.
Farrah. Be careful. You go across. Okay, let's go see what Oma and Opa are doing. Come on. All right. You race me. Oh, you'll win. You're racing me. You're winning. Do it, Titus. Do your exercises. Come on, buddy.
Stop getting dizzy. I was spinning on that.
Come on. I want to see you do a sit-up. All the way back and all the way up.
I'm dizzy.
Come on. You got this.
On that?
No, I didn't. Were you on it?
Okay.
Do it, Titus. Yeah. 1, 2.
Oh, my back.
All right. I'll get you, Judah.
Wait.
1 second, Abbey Road.
Yep. Oh, his money fell out.
Okay, do it, Titus. Do it. Spin him. Whee! It's amazing, Judah. That looks painful.
Helicopter.
You're gonna be sick. Did you get grass in your face?
Okay.
Want to do it again? Oh,
I'm okay.
you all right?
You gotta slow mo that.
All right, Titus.
Oh, no, I can't do it. Judah, come here.
I think they're elastic band. Yeah, I think so.
Other alien device.
All right, do it, Titus.
To do with
You know what that's for?
Push-ups.
You ready?
Go, Titus. Go.
Come on, Judah.
All right, spin him, Judah. We have liftoff and T-minus.
That was
All right, Opa's gonna do it.
what's the
Let's see how he does.
wait, where's Opa?
Opa's gonna do some push-ups. Woo! Look at those muscles.
Wait, Judah. Judah, wait.
I'd be so sore the next day.
What if we get one of those that goes right there? No, and then it spins.
The power. Walking up and up and up. Gonna watch the train come. Yeah, we have to. If you want to see the train, hurry, Farrah, hurry.
It's coming, Farrah.
Hurry. Oh, I see it. I see it. Run faster. Go, Abby, go. I see the train over there. Come on, Farrah, hurry. You're gonna miss it. We gotta go faster. You're almost to the top, Farrah. Run, run, run. I know. Come on, we can go over on top of it. The bridge goes on top of the train. Run quick so you can be on top of the train. It's so much fun. There she runs. Yeah, now she wants to run. Run, Farrah, run so you can be on top of the train. Hurry, hurry. Go be on top of the train. Woo! Toot toot! That's cool.
Hey, everybody made it.
We all made it.
Wow, look at those double takers. They just barely make the clearance.
You're welcome.
Did you turn it on?
I did just turn it on, yeah.
Daddy, can you can we ask if the paper?
No, no, that's not. Oh, watch out, Titus.
I'm going, Dad.
Sorry about that, sir.
Daddy, don't do that.
Hey, big girl.
Well,
See, you're right on top of the train. Look how close we are. Come on.
Daddy,
Come on, come check.
I'm trying to call.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm listening. What?
Yeah, but the Shannon's done. Can we go back down real quick?
Yeah, when the train's done, we're going back down that way.
No, but I wanted to catch one crab. Daddy, I wanted to catch one crab.
Oh, well, we're not catching crabs today. They'll bite you.
No, but I'm gonna grab it by the claw.
Whoa. You okay?
If you didn't roll off to the side, you'd be okay.
That'd be so scary.
Yeah,
I
it's
bet you
scary.
those parkour guys, though,
Oh, mercy.
I bet you they would do that in a
For
heartbeat.
sure.
They'd be right here
That's
on the
why we got
edge.
all this hanging over
Yeah.
us here.
Those parkour guys would figure it out how to get right here.
Skateboard boy.
I'm gonna go right down.
Yes?
Dad, right when I get down and come back up, I
Okay.
need to sit on this with the helmet on.
And ride down it?
Mama, ready? Don't go forward. or
Okay,
backward.
just ride it.
Just go.
Okay, I'll do that.
Here, I'm
All
gonna,
right, I'm going all the way
I'm
down.
gonna run down with
This
you.
on the skateboard. You ready?
I told
I'll be
him.
all right.
He said he doesn't.
I'm sitting. Watch out, Farrah. Okay, here we go.
Can I sit with
Woo!
you? Let us ride. Okay, now don't use that. Just ride.
Yeah. I have to use it as a brake.
You can
Otherwise, I'm gonna wipe out. Hey, Titus, be careful running downhill. That's how Old Pop broke his collarbone. Dude, I get moving on this bad boy. Whoa! Whee! Hello! To the bottom. We made it. All right, now back up. Yes, ma'am. A lot of fun. What'd you say? Yeah, you do, even uphill. Beep beep, coming through. Whee! Woo! Yay!
Oh, I got butt sweat. I got butt sweat. Is that recording?
Yes. Here comes Titus. You okay? We're going home in a moment. Thank you, Titus. That was super much fun.
Told you.
There goes the last train car.
Thank you,
Woohoo!
train. Thank
We
you.
stayed up here for the whole thing. Can you believe it?
That was a long.
That was a long train.
I want to go home.
Hey,
Oh, hey.
how do we ask? How do we
I
ask?
want to go home.
No, how do we ask?
Can I please go home?
Yes, now we can go home. Thank you for asking nice.
I just say, if it's not too much difficulty, could we please make our way back to the house? Can you say that?
And then you say, etc.,
Etc. Etc.
Come on, hold my hand, big girl. All right, come on, you guys.
I don't want to.
Back we go. Come on, Farrah. Go right into the camera. Wow. That's awesome.